guys, good morning. So I'm doing this trade review before I don't know, maybe before the market starts open. Just want to show you why I took this trade. So on GBPUSD you can see that the market has been trending upwards for a very long time. Let me just remove this fib too so that everything's gonna be clear. Let me put it, sorry, 1 minute. Oops. Okay, that's better now. So you can see that G has been trending upwards for a very long time now, and the market, all right, okay, the market has been trending upwards, but if you see that the market has hit a very strong area of resistance here around 1.36750, which is also like a psychological level if you look at it in some way, right? 36750. This was 367. This was 36500. So it's 36500, right? And you can see the rejection on that level. Then when it hit 750, then it reversed, right? You can see this, this rejection on the higher time frame. So you can see that rejection candlestick on the 1 hour time, on the 4 hour time frame. You can see how the market closed, how the market rejected before it closed below. So what I'm thinking, or what I'm looking for right now, is I'm looking for for the market to come back to this previous area of support, for it to come and maybe bounce off and keep going up, or break below it and just start going down. That is what I'm actually expecting right now. So we're on particular level of we're in a particular level of resistance on the 4 hour time frame. So let me just show you why I took this trade. So you can see right now the market it was actually giving us higher highs and higher lows before it just changed, market structure changed, right? So this was a higher, let me use this too well, so just exit. So this was a high, so this was a low, this was a high, then higher low, then higher high, then higher low, and kind of like a equal high here. We'll see a higher low. So the market gave us a higher high and a higher low, then an equal high here again. But if you notice, this looks like a double bottom, right? Double top rather. That was the double top before price started reversing throughout last week Wednesday or so. Yes, exactly. From Wednesday it started giving us lower lows now, then lower highs, and another lower low, and a small lower high. The market give us a lower low here, so I think it's giving us a lower high before dropping to this next level. So what I did, or how I thought to take this trade, or why I took this trade, is that if you look on the higher time frame, there's a particular level here. Whenever price came to this level, price found it hard to break above. Even when it broke above, it came down to retest and went above, then it came down. And you can see that when it came to go back up again, sellers pushed the market back down, and it happened again. Sellers pushed the market back down. Sellers were just pushing the market down, especially when markets came to this particular area. There were times that the market went up, but it was not able to hold that particular level. Sellers still pushed the market back down. So when the market came to this area, broke above it, retested, and kept going up, you can see that sellers were still coming in, trying to push the market back down. But at this particular level here, I just feel like since that level has been a very significant resistance level, that it is going to hold price here. So I was thinking of taking the trade. So now we can see that when the market came to this, sorry for the background noise, I think rain is falling here. So when the market came to this resistance area, the plan was to take the trade yesterday night, but obviously it's not within my trading hours, so I had to wait till today. So you can see that one of the indications that this level, resistance level is very, very strong is a consolidation, right? Look at from this area 6 o'clock yesterday night to about now, which is 1 o'clock today, Tuesday, right? And again, New York session is opening right now. So for about 19 hours, price has been on this particular resistance level without leaving that area, showing that not just being there though, it was still rejecting from that level of resistance to show you that that level is a very, very strong level, and it is going to, price is going to keep on rejecting off that level. Hey guys, so sorry. It's been a busy day, to be honest. It's been a busy day at work, and I had to go do other things. That's why I've been posting this screen recording video, right? So what I'm expecting now is that, and sorry, before what I'm expecting, right? So I plotted my Fibonacci, right, from the swing high, from these highs right here, this swing high, this lower high to this lower low, and you can see that price has been expecting that area for quite some time, since throughout yesterday night up until today. You can see there's price created an ascending kind of like channel, broke out of it, retested it, but it was still 5 o'clock in the morning, so I had to just still hold on until price made this move by 9 o'clock. I wanted to be honest with you, I wanted to enter around, let's say 8:59, around that place, or 9 o'clock sharp, because the price market was there and my stop loss would have been very, very small, like about 10-15 pips, let's say around here, 20 pips stop. That's what I wanted to actually use, but I just had to hold on and wait for my plan to happen for me to continue what I was doing, right? So I saw this aggressive 15 minutes candle, right, because there was this breakout of that particular zone, and there was a retest, right? I had to wait until just a little bit of confirmation for me to enter this trade. But right now I'm in kind of like a, let's say I'm in drawdown of about 30%. My stop loss is about 85 pips, risking 1% though. I'm thinking of entering again now, like 11 pips drawdown. I took one position down here, I took one position around the retest of around here too. So let's just see how this trade is going to turn up, right? So this is what I wrote here: fib retracement level plus sell zone, right? Because this level has held for a very long period of time, and I still believe that it's going to hold. New York session is just will be, let's see. I don't know, see if it has opened or not. I'm going to see here. New York session has not opened yet, but it's going to open in the next 9 minutes. So in 9 minutes from now, we are going to see, okay, New York session is open now. You can see that indication, right? Okay, New York session was open by 1 o'clock a.m. 1 p.m. rather. I don't know if you can see this, but I can see it. Let me show you. So you can see this yellow bar right here. That's New York session, right? So New York session is open now. So let's see what New York brings. I don't want to add any, to be honest with you, it's a prop account, so I don't want to add any position to a losing trade. So let me just see what the market is going to bring, then I'm going to know if I'm going to add more positions or not. But for now, take care and I'll see you later, right? If it's going to be if the trade reverses on me, then no problem, I'm still going to post the video regardless. So let's see how it's going to be. Hey guys, so it's 9:13 p.m. and this is what we have. We are still on this particular trade right here. I think we are stuck in a range. which is something that we don't want to be, because yesterday the trade we took also was also stuck in a range which made us close out with a loss, right? So let's see how this trade is going to play out from now till tomorrow morning. As I said earlier, if price breaks out of this level here, this one, you just know that it's going to hit my stop, and I'm good with it, right? I'm floating about almost $50 of loss, $47 loss. So let's see how it's going to be. I'm going to update you guys tomorrow morning, which is the 23rd. So let's see how it's going to be. Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you have a wonderful night. I don't know why I'm saying that, to be honest, because this is a chopped up video. So it's a new day. Today is the 24th, right? Just I was saying, I had a lot of confidences. I just feel that like G is gonna drop, right? Because like there's no way for over a whole day, like the market is consistently rejecting from a particular level or from a particular zone. It doesn't just make sense for the market to break out of the level out after ranging for one complete day. So now we are in actual profit of reasonable money, right? Like, so you can let's use this tool. So when the market came into the range, it was on Monday around let's say 6 o'clock, and it was in the range for over 1 day and 8 hours. It doesn't just make sense for the market to like break above, right? So now we're in profit of, right, like you're in profit from here, like, which was a scaled position of 28 pips, but the main position started somewhere. Let me adjust this a little. Let's put this here for instance. The main position is only in a profit of 10, or so we are in 16 pips profit. So let's see how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna be updating, giving chart updates if I'm going to close or take profit anytime soon. I'm looking at this level right here. This is the swing low. So the market breaks below the swing low, then we are going to watch out for the overall take profit of this 1.34209. But if market rejects from this area, that means we are going to just go back up again. So once I see rejection, I'm going to just close. A 15 minutes or 1 hour rejection or 30 minutes, it just depends on how nice that rejection is. So on MT5, I'm currently floating some decent amount of profit. It's not up to what we were in drawdown yesterday, so I won't say it's 1 hour. It's getting there yet, so let's see how it's gonna be. I'll be giving live updates soonest. Hey guys, so it's currently 11:30. I don't know if you can see that it's currently 11:30, and this is where we are at right now. We're in a significant amount of profit. This is where we are at. Trying to bring that thing here. So we're currently running 73. So let's see what we're running now. 56. So it's back down. So let's see how it's going to be. So it's currently 3 p.m. Nigerian time, and the setup is almost at CP. I've closed a lot of my positions because I just woke up, and I just decided to close a few positions. I left one for final TP. So this is where we are at right now, almost at the very end of the whole thing. The market is looking nice. So at the end of the day, just depends on the trader and what's the risk you are willing to take. I've been holding this trade for about Hold on. I've been holding this trade for about 1 day and 6 hours. So it's been kind of hectic, to be honest. But now I'm getting the reward. I'm getting the reward now. I just want to show you my position on MT5. That's thickness. So I have just this position. Just this position. Let me show you the other ones. So I just closed $76, two positions, and I have one left. Right. I could have left them for TP, to be honest, but I just wanted to close. So I have this one left. Final TP is $84. Just gonna bring this one here, close. So whatever happens now, we have balance plus 44, which is 6,088. So right now, our equity is floating 2% profit on the prop firm. Just gonna leave it. Let us see how this is going to play out. I'm glad, to be honest, because I've been trading this account for over a week, and I've just been hitting TP then SL, TP then SL, SL, TP then I was like going 1% up, 1% down, 1%. That's what I've been doing for some weeks now, and now I've been able to get a good grasp of at least some good percentage on the account. This is the trade on UJ that I missed. I missed the shade of over 100 pips. The reason I missed this trade was this was very, very early in the morning and I was going to work. So I missed out on that breakout retest. And this solid mode push to the upside. This is 85 pips. But it's not anywhere near this other trade that I missed. And to be honest, now I missed this trade not because I was going to work. I missed this trade because I was at work, but I was on YouTube trying to learn other things and all of that. So this happened. When I came back, the market was here already. I was looking for a breakout retest, but there was no retest, right? So I missed out on this. Should have been my entry. So I missed out on almost 100 pips. Let's just put it here. I missed out on 100 pips. So that is trading for you, man. That's trading for you. So since yesterday and today, I've just been able to take only one trade on GBP USD, which is this one. So man, that's what we have. That's what we have. I'm thankful. So guys, see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you've actually learned one or two here, can actually share this to someone else that is actually ready and eager to learn how this market works. So bye guys, see you next time. So I come your way again.